Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to hide sensitive content on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. From there, click on the More icon, which appears as 3 dots in a circle. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your account preferences. Now, click on Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to control how your account interacts with content and other users on X. Within this menu, locate and click on content you see under the Your Twitter Activity section. Once inside the content, you see Page, scroll down and find the Search Settings option. Click on it to access additional search-related preferences. Finally, enable the option labeled Hide Sensitive Content by checking the box next to it. This setting ensures that sensitive media and posts are hidden from your searches and feed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully adjusted your settings to hide sensitive content while browsing X on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Thank you for watching.